Hi everyone. So today I'm going to present my Sauer M18 P320, and I am going to go through the process of clearing and making the firearm safe. So for the first step, what you want to do is drop the magazine. By doing so, you push the mag release, take the magazine out. The next step is to pull the charging handle or the slide back to the rear and lock in place. The next step is to look into the breech, check the chamber for any obstructions or ammunition, brass, or anything of the sort. After that, slide to the bolt to the rear and disengage the striker and the firing pin. At that point, the weapon is safe. To go to an added step, put the weapon on safe. That is the process of making this firearm safe. Have a good day. Bye.